flip forwards, you see both tools clicked in.
Yes.
You can release, oh no, don't release the foot.
Okay.
Release first the hand, and then only the foot. If you go too fast, it hops out again.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, if you do it the other way around, then it hops out. Alright, so this third divider I'll let you do.
Okay.
It's a little bit more difficult because you have to fetch the 4 rivets, alright? So remember, left just a little, bend it towards you, fetch the 2 middle ones, and bend it backwards to just fetch a little bit off the right one. That's it, alright? Not further, because it's smacking time again.
Okay. Strong?
Semi-strong. Tuck. Do a little bit more. Once more. Tuck. Good. Super. Now we need the bushings the other way around. So like hats, this way.
Sorry.
Turn it. Yeah.
Just
super. And that goes on top of the right rivet. This one on top of the left rivet. Perfect. And this is the smaller one that goes on top here. This is already done on this side. We'll now release the knife by laying down that black handle back down. Super. It opens the block here, and this is the first time I can take the knife off. It is still very fragile, which means that here you see these two would drop if you didn't have the fingers underneath. These are under tension, so that's why I can close the knife.
That's right.
There you go. Everything works well. We did not forget anything. Super. Leo, you can leave your chair on the side. We'll go now to the other side to do the rest.
Like the majority, number 5.
Interesting. There's no majority.
No?
No.
Everybody says this.
No. From what happens here, it's funny. It's funny, most of the people want 3 or 4, they still want to look at like handwriting.
You know, for me it's easier to read.
So no worries. So we'll do that later on. And now what we do here on this operation table is we need to cut off the ribbon first, and then we need to hammer.
Okay.
And this procedure needs to be done precisely. You see, if we don't cut enough off, or we don't hammer nicely, we have these ugly bumps. Those we don't want. Huh? So what we do, are you right-handed, Leo?
Yes.
Yes. So, okay. So I show you. We have these special pliers where we cut this off, and what we do, we stabilize with the left hand, and then we just pinch off. So I show you.
Okay.
The higher up you press together, the easier it goes because the brass is very soft. Okay. So I'll let you do that. With your left hand, you hold on to the knife, and now you cut off this one first. Open and cut. Open and cut. Open and cut the small ones. Perfect. Here. The hammering procedure is not an act of force. If we do hammer too hard, we'll have a problem that we bring in. Yeah, I show you first. We will bring down the rivet into the bushing, and we block the blades. Sure. And we can't open it. Okay. So what we need to do is, again, we stabilize the knife with the left hand, and here we take the finer grip. We hold on to the knife that way, and now we flatten it on the bushing. Okay? Mushrooming it. Some people say it's like mushrooming it. I don't know.
Yes.
That's the way. We don't need to make this perfect. And after the testing procedure, we can still make a second run, okay? Rather have it that way than the other way with block blade.
Okay.
So you again, first work with that one, hold on to it, that, and then the second one this way. Blind rivet should be on level of the bushing next to it. Super. So that's enough at the moment. I always say after 500 knives, life is easy.
Yes.
Good. So now we come to a next important procedure, that's the oiling business.
Yes.
And with the oiling, I don't know, as a collector have a lot of knives, I assume you also, once in a while you oil them?
Yes.
Okay, super.
And I have that either.
You have this oil already, I don't need to tell you about anything about
And
it.
I bought 4.
Oh, you bought one, okay, so I'm not going to say anything about the oil, definitely not. Good, okay. So you know also where it comes in, right?
Yes.
Per layer on this size of knife, it's usually 3 openings. There we go. So what I usually do is
No taste, no smell.
Perfect. Yeah, that's right. You could be an instructor.
Yes.
Maybe on a day that we don't that I can't, okay? And I usually wear now the glove so that I can spread the oil and if it ever,
Sure.
But yesterday it didn't work. I found myself on this side. I don't know why. Okay, so here's the moment where you see this wiggles a little bit. You need to just hammer a bit more.
Okay.
But if you see, if you listen now to the sound of the click, it's too weak because what happens? First of all, it clicked the wrong way. Okay? And second of all, it was a very deep click. Now if I show you this side, you can also make it test. It clicks in with a higher sound.
Yes.
So we definitely need to hammer on that one.
Okay.
Okay? So then we spread the oil on this side, on the eraser blade, that works fine. This is also fine. Some people don't manage to get out the punch, then they don't use it, which is a pity. You can also just open first the front, then the back, and do it that way. And what you said before, absolute correct, is the piece that looks like a horse head has the function to make a stop here.
Yes.
So that you can screw without it breaking in, right? So that's why you need to, by oiling, I guess you do that, you have to hop over that stop, huh? Yeah. Super. And again it clicks in, alright? So now, let's listen once more. A rather deep sound, and if we just hammer a bit, we'll bring it up.
Yes. It must be perfect.
It must be perfect, yeah, it comes in 3 directions, definitely.
Yeah.
First of all, we check.
Yes.
Here it doesn't wiggle anymore. All right. And now second thing. Ha! Now the click is exactly the same, huh? In the height. Perfect. Super. So I install for you number 5.
Yes. This is the only part that is not 26 characters.
I don't know.
You don't know? Now you
Well,
know.
the thing is, no, because you see, you can write more. It will just be narrow.
Okay.
It's not a question only of stop 26 and not one more. But legible, probably, it's most comfortable with 26.
Yes.
But you go ahead and write and we'll see what happens.
Let's see. So, today,
Would you like to make an and that way, or you want to stay with the E?
no, because in Portuguese is, no, maybe, in Portuguese is E, and,
okay.
Leonardo, and.
Okay, yeah, sure. We
'Cause we
usually,
are on
in
honeymoon.
German, it's funny, we always do this one
Yes,
as a,
because we are on honeymoon.
No, oh wow, so when did you get married?
Wow, no, we are on honeymoon, we got married 26th of September.
Wow, cool, congratulations.
Thank you.
So this is a Switzerland honeymoon trip, or
Yes.
a Europe, or a world trip?
Europe.
A Europe trip.
Yes, Europe.
Oh, great. Super. All right,
Really
is that good?
Perfect.
Okay, just to show you what happens with the shell. We need to be so precise,
Yes.
because we are not gluing this on, we're just clicking the shell on, okay?
Yes. And I think it's like temperature. The plastic.
Well, the plastic does fit just perfectly right. It sucks